All right. Welcome to the Grocery Shop for Free podcast. Thank you for joining us today. All right. We are going to talk about how to create a price matched shopping list. So the reason that we do this is we want to be able to get the best deal on everything that we buy when we go to the store. And to do that, we have to have our list planned out. We need to know in advance of exactly what it is that we're going to buy, who we're going to price match, what coupons we're going to use before we actually get to the store, because you don't want to be doing all that stuff on the fly. In fact, a lot of times I'll go to Walmart and I see they're usually little old ladies that have like 6 or 7 ads in their cart, and they just go from section to section of the store and then look through the ads to see what's in there that's on sale. And that's a horrible way to do it. It's a time wasting way to do it, and you're just not going to be able to get the best deals like that. I mean, because you're going to miss so much. So first, let's talk about kind of the old way that you had to do it. In fact, if you've been couponing for a while, this is probably the method that you used. So what you did is you just took a handy dandy piece of paper and you wrote down everything that you needed to buy this week. So let's say you needed to buy eggs, cheese, and I'm writing this down, and diapers. So if you're watching the video portion of this, this is what your shopping list will look like. And then, of course, if you're listening to the podcast, just use your imagination. You've got a piece of paper with eggs, cheese, and diapers written down on it. And then what you would do is you would go through your ads for that week and just look for the really good deals that happened this week on these items. So you would look through and find all the deals on cheese, or let's use eggs. So let's say you found a deal that Albertsons has Land of Lakes 1 dozen eggs on sale for 99 cents this week. So you would go back to your price matching list and you would just write down that the eggs are going to be Land of Lakes, that it's a dozen, that you're price matching Albertsons, and that it's 99 cents. So now it looks like that, if you could see. So now you've just got all the information on one line, and you just go through your list. Everything that you need to buy this week, you just work through, check out your ads, look for all the different things that you need to buy this week, and look for the best ads. And then what you would do is go to a coupon database, and you would go through the coupon database and just look for any coupons that were available for the products that you're going to buy. So going back to our example, Land O'Lakes eggs are 99 cents. You type Land O'Lakes eggs into a coupon database that you can find. You can find that on my site, Grocery Shop for Free at the Mart. You can find a coupon database on my wife's site, groceryshopforfree.com. They're at the top in the menu bar. So you type in Land O'Lakes eggs, and you find out that 2 weeks ago in the newspaper there was a coupon for 35 cents off of a dozen Land O'Lakes eggs. So you would go back to your list and you would write down 35-cent coupon, and then you would go find that coupon in your where you've got all your coupons organized, and then you would clip that coupon and you would put that coupon in your coupon wallet and repeat that for however many items that you have on your coupon, or I'm sorry, on your shopping list. And that's it. You walk to the store with that one piece of paper. You've got everything lined out, exactly what it is that you're going to buy. You know exactly what it is that you're going to price match, exactly the stores in your area that you're gonna price match, and that's it. You do your shopping. You go up to the register. You walk the cashier through exactly what it is that you're doing. You say Land O'Lakes eggs are 99 cents at Albertsons, and the cashier takes them, scans them, and changes the price to 99 cents. And then you hand them the coupon, 35 cents off. And now you've got eggs for 60 cents, where maybe it was $2 or $3 on the shelf at Walmart. So that's what you're doing. And that was kind of the old way to do it. And it's still, for old time couponers, it's still probably the easiest way. I mean, I still like to actually have all the ads in front of me. I still like to flip through all the ads. It just makes my life easier. Now, there are a couple tools that we have now that we've kind of gotten into the digital age that make this process a little easier. So the first tool is the price match list that you can find on my site, Grocery Shop for Free at the Mart. So every Sunday and every Wednesday, we put up lists for stores that are local in my area. So they're national chains that we use. So we're talking Kroger, Safeway, Albertsons, CVS, Walgreens, Target. So if you're in my area, they'll work really great for you. If you're not in my area, maybe you have a Kroger and a Safeway, but not an Albertsons. So the Albertsons list doesn't really matter to you that much. That's fine. Still use the list that you can use, and just look through the list. And the way that my lists are set up is, if something is like, say, Albertsons has something on sale for more expensive than what the price is at Walmart, it won't be on my list. So anything, the things that are on my list are only the things that store has on sale for less than Walmart. So that makes it easy. Instead of looking through a list, I've seen some of these lists that other people put on their site, and there's 500 items on it. Well, that's not helpful. You don't need to be searching through 500 items to find the 3 items that are on sale for cheaper than what Walmart already has it on for. So the list at my site, you can find the price match list at the top of my blog, and just look through and see, what are the really good deals. And then when you look through them on my site, I'll actually have all the coupons for each item already, listed out underneath them. So you can go through and clip them and add them to a list, or you can jot them down on a piece of paper, whichever you're more comfortable using. So whichever one of those things you're more comfortable using, it works. Now, there's another tool that you can use as well. And I've only just started using this, but I like it. So let me show you. And it's the Flip app, FLIPP. And what this thing does is, you put in your zip code when you first open up the app. You put in the zip code that you're at right now, and it pulls in all of the local ads and puts them all together in one place. And it's pretty extensive. Like, there are some really kind of small stores in my area that I would not have expected to be in an app this size that are included. Sprouts is in here. Market Grill is in here. All the local chain grocery stores are in here. CVS, also things like Macy's. There's automotive ads that they put in here. So like Pep Boys ad is in here. So if you need to buy tires or something, you can actually look through the Flip app and see if they have tires on there. So that part of it is really cool, just to be able to see all of the ads in one place. And then it's very easy to use. Now, if you're watching the video, I'm going to show you here. I don't know if it shows up here, but you can see right there that I've got 2 items on that list, cheese and eggs, and I just picked them at random. And what I did was, once you put it on a list, you can actually click cheese, and it'll bring up every piece of cheese that is on any of the ads in your area, and you can see the price that store is selling it at. So you can look through and you go, oh my gosh, that's a good deal, and you click on it, and it adds that to your list. So you're essentially doing the same thing that we talked about before, but you're not using paper to do it. If you go through this and you've got a list of all of what you think are the really, really good deals, the really good price match deals, and they're all in one place, and then when you go to Walmart, you don't actually have to have any of the paper ads. You can just have this app on your phone or on a tablet, some kind of mobile device, and be able to read off the prices from that. So it's very, very nice to be able to have it all in one place. Now, what the one place that the Flip app kind of falls short are the coupons. They have coupons listed in here, so you can actually say, okay, I want that deal on that item, and I want to use this coupon. But the only coupons that are in the app are printable coupons. So if it's a paper coupon that you want to use on your on a specific deal, it's not included in the Flip app right now. I don't know if that's going to be added in the future. I tried to get somebody from Flip to come join us. Unfortunately, I couldn't make it happen. But if there are printable coupons available, you can actually print your printable coupons from the app. Coupons.com just added that functionality where if you have a wireless printer and your tablet or your phone is on the same wireless network as the printer, it's a one-button click now. You click it and click to print, and it sends it automatically to your wireless printer, which is fantastic. I love that. It's a very easy. It's a very easy way to get your printable coupons printed, and you don't have to actually go from the mobile app to a computer, refine the coupons and then print them from the desktop when you've already got your phone in your hand. So that's nice. I like that. So whichever method you use, whether you're using a paper list that you're creating yourself, whether you're using my price match list on grocery shop for free at themart.com, whether you're using the Flip app, or maybe you might know of another app out there that does something similar. There's a lot of different ways. No longer are you kind of at the mercy of the store that you go shop at. And you just have to pay whatever it is on the shelf. Now, because Walmart will price match, because you have access to all of the ads in your area, now you can go in and make sure that you're getting the lowest price on absolutely everything that you're buying that week. Now, again, the easiest way to do that is to plan ahead and make a list. Know what you're going to buy before you go into the store. You don't want to, I cannot imagine a more frustrating way to shop than to just kind of wander around the store with the app or with all the ads and kind of flipping through them all on the fly when you're walking to the store. You want to have a plan before you go in there, and you want to already have your coupons clipped, and you want to already have an idea of what things you're going to use, because you want to be organized before you walk in the store. Over the years, I've had several people want to go with me to the store to kind of see how I shop and how I use coupons. And it's always, you always have to kind of tell them and set their expectation that really, 90% of the work of a couponing trip to the store is done well before you get to the store. Before I go to the store, I know what it is I'm going to buy. I know what it is I'm going to pay, and I know what coupons I'm going to use because I've already got them clipped and ready to go in my little binder. And so that's what you have to do to be able to save the most money. And that's how maybe I made it sound a little more complicated than it is, because it's really not. But knowing what it is that you're going to buy and making sure that you're getting the rock bottom price on everything that you're buying, that's how you start to save 30, 40, 50% on your grocery bill. There's probably no way that you have access to save more money than to cut out on the money that you spend on food each week. I mean, it's hard to adjust, your electric bill each month. It's hard to adjust your water bill each month, but it's very, very easy to cut back on your grocery bill. And it doesn't mean you have to buy cheaper food. It doesn't mean you have to buy food that's less good for you. And it doesn't mean that you have to kind of scrimp on, what it is that you're trying to buy. It just means that if Kroger has pork chops on sale for $2.99 a pound, and those are normally $4.99 a pound at Walmart or whatever store you normally go to, that you get it at the $2.99 price because one of your local stores has it for that price. That's how you save on meat. That's how you save on produce. That's how you save on canned goods. That's how you save on cereal. There's just tons and tons and tons of ways. There's always everything that you buy each week. Somebody has it on sale each week. It's just a matter of going and finding out who has it on sale, and then making sure that you price match those people. So that's it. That's how you make a price match list. And I want you guys to walk into the store knowing what it is that you're going to buy, and knowing what's the lowest price in your area and what coupons you're going to use well before you get to the store, so that by the time you get up to the register, you're going to save the most money you can on your grocery bills. All right, so let's take a look at the other deals that happened this week. In fact, if you're watching now, I'm going to open up the the other seat. If you're watching, you want to call in if you have any questions, go right ahead. But I'm going to go through some of the other things that happened on the blog and the deals that were available, so that we can look at those. First up, this weekend, Walmart put out their 2015 Christmas Toy Book catalog. So this isn't the Black Friday ad. This is Black Friday ad will come out a little bit later. I think last year it came out about the 11th of November. So we may have another week, maybe 10 days or so before it comes out. But they did put out this week their holiday toy catalog. So you can see all the deals on Star Wars toys and Hot Wheels and Play-Doh, and they have a bunch of really cool stuff in there. And you can kind of flip through them and see what it is that you're going to buy for your family, and have an idea of how much you're going to spend. Also on the blog, we had McCormick spices go on sale. There was a huge $1.75 off of 2 coupon that came out in yesterday's RP insert. And that's a big coupon for spices. That's a huge coupon for spices. So $1.75 off 2, and there's a 50-cent off 2 Saving Star rebate. And because of a lot of the McCormick spices start at about $1.98, you can get McCormick spices for as little as about 86 cents after the coupon and the Saving Star rebate. So you can go look on the blog that just went up a couple hours ago to see that deal. It's a fantastic deal. Also, Thermacare heat wraps. Those are the pads that when they heat up. You don't have to plug them in. They're just it's a chemical reaction. Then you're able to put them on your back or whatever. There was a $3 coupon that came out yesterday. I believe it was also in an RP, and there is a $3 Saving Star rebate. So they're only $6 on the shelf. After you use the coupon and the Saving Star rebate, you can get a package of Thermacare heat wraps for free. Not a bad deal. Yesterday, of course, our reverse coupon matchups went up, and that is where we take every coupon that came out this weekend and match it up to a Walmart price, so you can actually go through and see all the deals that are available and see what's available, which coupons you want to use. I've already mentioned that McCormick coupon. That's a fantastic coupon. There were several other really, really good coupons this week, so be sure to check that out. All the price matches went up. So we did CVS and Walgreens this week. We didn't put a Target list up because Target didn't have anything on sale for cheaper than what Walmart had it for, which is, doesn't happen very often, but it happened this week. So all the price match lists are up to date. And so go check out the blog, Grocery Shop for Free at themart.com. If you are new to couponing, you don't really understand what it is, some of the things that I talked about today kind of went over your head. I have an ebook that walks you through. It's everything's broken out into 21 days. So you have 21 small steps to be able to save money on your grocery bill. If you'll go to Grocery Shop for Free at themart.com/ebook, you'll be able to find more information about that. That book is wonderful. It's helped a lot of people, and it's only $9.99 to get a copy. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and we will talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.